Dr. Susan Mandel, chair of the Endocrine Summit, is here with me now to talk a little bit about the summit. Can you tell me about it?
Yeah, it's actually a very exciting meeting. It's our 7th annual meeting in India, sponsored by the Endocrine Society, where we bring state-of-the-art speakers that cover a broad range of endocrine topics to Mumbai for a day and a half.
Tell me a little bit about those topics. Let's delve a little more deeply in.
So the topics vary year by year, and I'm going to use my cheat sheet because I can certainly tell you that as a speaker myself and as the chair of the summit, my interest is thyroid. So thyroid will be covered. We have fantastic sessions on obesity, pediatric endocrinology, reproductive endocrinology, adrenal cancer, some really great state-of-the-art lectures, and I'm going to look to see which one I left out, and it was bone.
So a wide range of topics.
Absolutely.
I think it's good that you had to consult your notes because
I
it
do.
says that all topics are covered here in essence.
Correct, and the topics vary a little bit year by year so that we can make sure that over a couple of year cycles that we deal with basically the range of endocrinology, which as you know is quite broad.
Right, so who is the target audience that you want to be the attendees?
So the target audience, first of all, are interested physicians and specifically interested endocrinologists, because what we really bring is the most current knowledge, clinical knowledge, translational knowledge, to really be impactful for the practice of endocrinology. So for physicians who are endocrinologists in India who practice the clinical practice of endocrinology, as well as may be interested in the science of endocrinology.
And what do you hope to really come out of it in the end? Each year you must be seeing different things come from this.
Well, this is my first year, so actually one of the things I would say about the summit is to keep it current is that generally there are different speakers that come. So that this is my first year chairing it, but as an active member of the Endocrine Society, I've heard about the summit over the years. So I will first tell you some of the comments that I've heard from past participants, which is first, it's an opportune venue for endocrinologists from the United States to interact with our Indian colleagues, and there's a lot of knowledge that's shared back and forth. And then as someone who is an educator, as all of my colleagues are educators, anytime that we can help impart knowledge that we have or knowledge that has been recently discovered by our colleagues to improve endocrine health of patients anywhere in the world, and that's the purpose of any of these clinical summits, is to basically bring everyone's practice up to the highest level. That's very gratifying. So I think the science, the clinical practice, and the interaction with our colleagues internationally are what we all hope to gain from this.
Clearly, and that collaboration is only going to help patients as well.
Absolutely, that's what it comes down to.
Well, thank you so much, Dr.
You're
Mandel.
welcome.